Most people are not getting enough sleep. As the world's leader in providing natural solutions for healthy lifestyles, Young Living has an amazing selection of products to support you.
When you have toddlers and they get tired, they just start acting rambunctious, they get angry, they act out of character, and you realize that what they really need is more sleep.
Because it's in sleep when we boost our immune system, it's in sleep that we rebuild our nervous system, and it's in sleep when your body is able to release negative emotions.
Adults are absolutely the same way.
The Freedom Sleep Kit contains 4 different essential oils to help you move into a healthy state of sleep, to allow your body to get into that realm of healing, to allow all of your neural pathways to rebuild.
The first oil that you use in the Freedom Sleep Collection is Freedom. You take 1 to 3 drops and you place that on the soles of your feet as you get ready to prepare for a healthy night's sleep.
The next blend in the Freedom Sleep Kit is Aroma Sleep. Placing 3 drops on the back of the neck prior to sleep prepares you both physically and emotionally for a great night's rest.
Take 1 to 3 drops of Valor, place that across your chest on your heart. I love Valor because Roman soldiers use a blend like Valor when they were going into battle. Going to sleep for many people who are suffering from negative emotion is one of the most difficult things they do, because sometimes we're afraid of the dark, sometimes we're afraid of being alone. That's why we surf the internet, it's why we stay up binge watching television. Sometimes it takes courage to actually slow down and let things be quiet.
Inner Harmony blend placed on the wrist is an amazing blend that promotes feelings of peace, it promotes harmony, and it allows your body to release negative emotions so that you can get into a healing state of rest during your sleep.
The Freedom Sleep Collection is perfect for people who want to experience the rejuvenating effects of a healthy, restful night's sleep.
We are so grateful that Young Living has developed this kit to help you walk in freedom.